Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to plug a car tire or truck tire. It's a tubeless tire. We're going to check for a leak. We already know where it is, but I'm going to show you how to check for a leak. So this one was pretty obvious. There's a screw in it, but use a soapy solution or say Windex or whatever you have to get some bubbles. So as you can see there, like the air's coming out around the screw. It's like just a soapy solution is going to help you find it. You can saturate the whole tire if you can't find your leak, you know what I mean? So say if the leak was over here, it was a little thing you couldn't see. This one here I could see, so it was easy. I know it's just that one because I pulled it off right away. But to show you how to plug it, we have our tire plugs. These are for a tubeless tire, car, truck, automotive stuff. We have our reamer and our plugger. So what we're going to do, you're going to need a pair of side cutters. We're going to pull our screw out, have your reamer ready. Pull our screw out. Doesn't matter if it falls on the floor, pick it up after. So it's always easier to plug your tire when you have air in it, because the air pushes up and it's going to allow you to put your plug in a lot easier. If it's flat, your tire is going to sink down and it's just going to grab onto that plug and make it harder to put in. So if you have an air pump, put some air in it. 15, 20 pounds, 30, 40, whatever it is you got to do. But ream your hole, make sure there's no like burrs and stuff in there. Get a plug ready. These here are pretty sticky. So what we're going to do, since these are kind of sticky, I like to go and spray a little bit of soapy solution on it. That way it kind of slides through your tool a little bit better. Now on your tool, if you look here, this is where your plug is going to go. You're going to put your plug in here. But see, there's this little gap. After you put the plug in the tire, when you pull out, that gap's going to open up, leaving your plug in the tire. So we'll go and we'll put this on. So you want it about halfway. So we got done cleaning the hole, we're going to put it in the plug. It's going to take some force to put it in. You want it to go about all the way, just so a little piece is sticking up on either side. You don't want to like push it all the way through, because then your plug falls through the tire. Give it a turn, pull it out as fast as you can. Just give her a yank. That's how you plug a tire. So we'll verify that her leak's done or fixed. We'll give her a couple sprays here, make sure she's not bubbling. Looks like we're good. Nothing bubbling out. Don't forget to check your tire pressure and check your tire pressure, and you should be good to go. Alright, thanks for watching.